Dang, just found parking. Already got 39 minutes. 15 cents. That's all I gotta put in, man. That's all I gotta put in. I feel like I already won this vlog. Dope. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Pasadena. I had to like work kind of close to here, so yeah, man. Figured we'd stop by Pasadena. It's almost noon, and Pasadena Nike has dropped all kinds of stuff lately, so man, we gotta check. Did come here about a week ago. They did have a bunch of returns and stuff. Well, let's see what they got. Dang, usually you got a bunch of returns right here. Don't got anything. Oh wait, here we go. There's the returns right here. The 5s, I've seen these plenty of times. The Jade 5s. It's a smaller pair right here. Never seen these. Air Force One Unos. Oh, okay, that's a little much for me. And then, oh, got these, the Billy Elliots. Okay, Billy Elliot Air Force Ones. I had another one, another size here. The leather on this is amazing. Like, you could just see how, I don't know, I can feel it, but it's super amazing soft suede. And then someone just brought this over. These are hella interesting. These are the, these are the ones that I've always sold out. They just made some new ones. These are the Fly Ease. They open up like that, and then you put your foot right in as soon as you take it off. As soon as you take it off, when you put your foot out, man, it's hard with one hand. When you take your foot out, it automatically opens up like that, and you just slide your feet right in. $120. These were super limited. They were selling for $600-700 resale, but now they did come out in a bunch of sizes. A little easier to get now, which is pretty dope. But yeah, anybody with medical issues and stuff, they were not able to get their hands on these. So that's dope that they did come out with these. These are size 9. I've not seen these in the wild ever. Brotherhoods. Heard a lot of stores getting restocks on the Brotherhoods. This place got these. Some of you guys were able to pick up at Torrance after I told you guys, hey, 20% off. Size 11.5 right here. Couple dunks, grade school dunks. And then these terrible looking things. University blue colorway, but man, dude, the elevates, man. Then in the regular section, look, Jordan 13s. The fake Flints right here. They call these what, the Midnight Navies. I just took out the Flints, and these so remind me of the Flints. I think the color right here is different. Gray. I think this part's white and this part's gray. But yeah, man, these are dope, dude. These are dope. Like the material, like the color. 200. Don't like the price, but 200, you know, hey, if you can get Jordans at retail, you're good right now. Then also got the 7s. These have been everywhere. Material, still exquisite. Color, still mediocre. Silhouette, still mediocre. In my book, at least. Got all kinds of Jordan series. And we've seen these at the outlets for hella cheap. Seen it at the clearance store for really cheap. And then we got the court, what are these? The center courts. I don't know why I couldn't remember. I saw the front. I was like, they got Kobe's? What the hell? No, these are Metcon. Metcon 7s going for $130. Got a couple of them. Got the Fruit Loops. People ain't digging these, it looks like. And then someone mentioned, I forgot who in the comment section mentioned that this is a running store, so they do have a lot of running gear. Yeah, it totally seems that way. It does totally seem that way. So that back section right there was the men's. This is the women's. And the kids section on the right here. Dude got some women's dunks. And like I said, man, something doesn't have resale now. It's just not hot. You know, I just don't dig that color. The material on this, hella nice. But and these are going for what, $120. These are here. Got Jordan mids. This is the one with the SE with the really good leather. $135 for these. Then the regular Jordan 1 mids going for $120. Dude got all kinds of blazers. $95 for these. Got a bunch of highs. Ooh, this one, I've never seen this one, have I? Holy crap. $110 for that one. And then we've seen this one. This one's hella interesting. Does have the freaking, it's all woven leather, or I mean, some woven material. Those are 100 as well. Got some Air Max 90s. I've never seen a $130 for these. Never seen this one before. Okay. Newer colorway, alright. Then got these LeBrons. These are grade school. I've never seen this. Never seen this. Okay. Then some more dunks. Are these grade school dunks right here? Okay, I don't really think I've seen this one. It is not all white. There's like the lightest greenish hue. Okay. Copper is interesting. That's an interesting colorway. Okay. Wait, I need to see the technology behind this. I know that there's some bands on the side. These bands allow it, like, hold it together while it moves up and down. And then there's a plastic piece right here. The plastic piece is the one that bends. These are just hella interesting, dude. Dope that they finally made enough so people who need them can get them. That's dope. Okay. All right, let's move on to the next spot. I think there's a Foot Locker. Let's go check out that Foot Locker. They rarely have anything, but let's go check. All right, we do have a Foot Locker here. This is one of their, what they call one of their power stores, kind of like Hollywood, Compton, huge store, you know, access to the sidewalk and stuff, but they never get anything. I don't know why. I don't know. Maybe we'll find some sales since they never get nothing. I know it is midday, but like nobody's here. Nobody's here. Off a busy street. Wow. Dude got multiple retros. Dude got 13s. Just saw these. Then the Del Sol 13s. What is this? A size 10? Yep, size 10. Got a couple of those. A couple of the series. Does have the 36s right here. The bread colorway. Dude got some OG sneakers right here. These are Reggie Millers, going for 170. The max up tempos. I don't think I've seen this colorway of the Flight Mids. The Flight Light Mids. You know, some of the OGs love these. They got the old school look to them. Dude got Zions in a pretty wild colorway. These are going for 120. Zoom separates, going for $110. Jordan brand sneakers, I don't know. They're team sneakers, I don't know. Got a pair of the Kyries. LeBron's right here. This is the Lakers colorway. And then the Why Not 0.5s. 0.5s go for $130. So that was the House of Hoops section. This is the Nike section right here. And just not much, dude, not much. They did throw these Converse in the Nike section. They got these on sale, the Crater ones. Normally 95 down to 30. That's not bad. These, I forgot how light these are. This is made of the Flyknit. I think these are the Flyknit, right? Yeah, $30 freaking. Wow, super light. Then they got stuff like this on sale, dude. Like the free runs, is that? Yeah, the free run 2s. That's about it though, man. Oh wait, these are on sale too. The Crater Impacts. Ain't nobody looking at these, alright? Alright, I'm in the kids section. Or is this the women's section? Maybe the women's section. I was wondering, I did see these. I think I saw this on Bosco's video. But I did see these, the black with like the reflective material. This was pretty dope. Maybe if this was in men's sizes. Yeah, okay. I don't remember if this is a men's or if this is a kid's. Or I don't remember if this is a men's or if this is a women's. Let's see if it makes a difference with that, with the flash right there. Oh, maybe it isn't. Maybe it isn't reflective. Oh yeah, it is reflective. You can see the front part right there. Okay, alright. Alright, I got the OG ones, the freaking, the black ones, so yeah, I'm good on that. Got some Air Max 90s on sale. I think this is the women's section, so pretty sure women's for $100. Normally what, 130, right? 120. This is one of the older ones. Got some mids. Yeah, definitely the women's, because these are women's pair. Dude got some Air Max 97s on sale. Slight sale for this one. Got these down to $10. I love the way these look. They're not comfortable. I did try them on. They just weren't comfy. Like the cushioning's comfy, but the top part right here was not comfortable. Kind of like the look. I know they're not the most manly, obviously, but I still like them. But damn, $10. $10. Got a bunch of stuff for $15. Maybe if some of this stuff was down to 10, maybe. And like these right here, same thing. Maybe if they were 10, maybe. I think that's it. I think that's it. Man, I don't know why this store never gets nothing. It is huge. Like, it's freaking huge. House of Hoops section's right there. This regular Foot Locker right here. Women's section in the back. I don't know why they don't get nothing. I don't know. Dang. And I missed out on the freaking Jordan 6s today. They released Kobe's with those at some of the stores. Missed out on that. Damn, dude. Man, I need to get out of here, dude. Forget Foot Locker, man. Not helping me out. Too many points. Let's get out of here. All right. Next day, got 10 minutes. Got 10 minutes. Let's go see what's up at this location. Shoe Palace. What is this? Panorama City? All right, they got a bunch of retros here. What the hell? Definitely did not expect that. Like, they got these. I think they just got a newer shipment because they have a bunch of sizes. Because they got another one over there. They do got the 5s. The amazing material. Both of these actually got really amazing material. The Jade 5s. And that one just super, super soft. Man, they got both of those. Women's 11s. These are the violet colorway. Like, I can't believe they have all these here. I'm like amazed. They got these bad boys right here as well. This is a 10.5. And then the latest one, the 6s, yo. The 6s. The 6s, man. Definitely worth the visit. Yeah, I'm gonna post this on Instagram. Like, I know none of these are like really hard, but I know there are some of you guys that weren't able to grab them. So let me post this all. I also got these atrocious. These are just, man, these are awful. The midsole, like the material is actually good too. Midsole, $130 for those. 6, 17, 23s. Comforts, they do got Concords. The Comfort colorway, I guess. Actually, they can't even be Concords. There's no purple on it. There's no purple. Y'all know Concords are named Concord because of purple, right? And then the 6 rings, do got these. And one of the workers here and I were talking, and he was telling me, I totally forgot, like these are from all the 6 rings that he did get. So this does have the 6, 7, 8s, and then also has the 11, 12, 13s, has all of those. Man, that's funny. I don't know why I totally forgot about that. And then in the kids section, they do have these. This is a women's, I believe, right? They got these. They still got these in the kids section. Grade school, more grade school. Just ton of Jordans. It is crazy to see that. And then also the Brotherhood as well as the playoffs right there. That's just crazy. Dude, got some Vans on sale. Take a look at a couple of these Vans. $40 for these. Material pretty good on these. Got these as well, going for $40. Suede isn't as soft as the black ones. Mocha colorway? Do we call all brown stuff mochas now? Yeah, these go for $65. This is a cool colorway. I've never seen this one. And then if you want a slightly darker one, $40 for these. Hustler Hacks colorway go for $40. Got the black and white checker go for $40. And then some huge ones. Still $45 though. So price is not bad. They got some sales on Vans for y'all Van fans. All right, I gotta go. Gotta go. Late for an appointment. Got more grade school stuff, man. All right, let's go. Sorry, it's a little short.